In the spirit of playing around with the structure of language, I came to ChatGPT and I said, let's invent a language together. This language is mostly mutually intelligible with English, but has influences of German, Spanish, and Arabic, so the typical English speaker should more or less understand it when they hear it. There are 6 subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, we, y'all, and they, right? Kind of like English, kind of like Spanish. Please create a chart telling me what those subject pronouns are. And I let it just make it up. All right. ChatGPT thinks it sounds fun. All right. At least someone else does. Ich, du, hin, nos, vos, hinen. Okay. Then it breaks it down. Ich, oh, kind of like German. Du, okay. Hin, oh, like Arabic. Nos, vos, kind of like Spanish, right? Because we wanted those influences. And hinen derived from hin, the third person, but the plural, Arabic, in, which happens in Arabic sometimes, like Americans, Amerikin, or something like that. Pretty cool. All right, so pretty smart. It did a good job. So now, please write a chart that shows me the verb to be in present tense. So I want I am, you are. So ich am, du ars, hin, is, nos, somen, vos, set, hinen, sind. All well and good. Okay. I'm like, whatever. I just want it to learn it. I'm not even learning it, right? I'm just telling it how to learn. I'm just trying to make it teach itself it. Okay. Breaks it down. Oh, this is this. Simplified. Oh, okay. Very cool. Good. Nice. Influences, whatever. All right, so based on where this is going, right? How do you say I'm from Chicago? And of course, ich am von Chicago. Very good. Ich am von Chicago. Okay. What's the name of this language? It says, well, you want to call it English, German-Hispanic, Arglish, Linguada, Unilang, or Angloromic. And I'm like, which one speaks to you? I don't know. Let's go with Angloromic, all right? So please create a verb for speak and then conjugate the verb. So speak is lirab, it based on leer from Spanish, and rab from telling stories or something. Okay, so lirab is speak. Now, ik lirab, du lirabs, hin lirab, nos libarim, vos libaret, and hinen libaren. Okay? Example sentences, I speak Angloromic, would be ik lirab Angloromic. Okay, so if I asked you, du lirabs Angloromic, you'd say, yeah, ik lirab Angloromic. So now I'm saying, so answer me, du lirabs Angloromic? And it goes, yeah, ik lirab Angloromic, smiley face, right? ChatGPT's loving this. How do I say I also speak a little Angloromic? And it says, ik also lirab un poco Angloromic. Okay, so also must be also. Ik also lirab un poco Angloromic. Does that feel natural? Oh, yeah. All right. Please write 5 sentences in Angloromic that I can use to introduce myself. Okay. Ik am von USA. Ik lirab Angloromic, also un poco Español. Ik am un profesor de lenguas. Ik love lernar neolinguas. Ik will practice met you. Will do practice met me? I don't know, Giving me some new vocab. Very good. All right. Tell me the verbs you used for those. It was the verb to be, lirab, love, lernar, will, practice. Okay. All right. Now, ask me the 5 questions that would make me say those 5 statements. So where are you from? Von where ars you? ¿Qué lenguas tú lirabs? ¿Qué es you job? ¿Qué du love far lernar? Will you practice met me? There it is. Will you practice met me? And I go, yeah, ich will practice met you. Write that dialogue now between 2 people. All right. Von where are you? Ich am von Chicago. ¿Qué lenguas tú lirabs? Ich lirab Angloromic, also un poco Español. ¿Qué es you job? Ich am un profesor de lenguas. ¿Qué du love far lernar? Ich love lernar neolinguas. Will you practice met me? Yeah, ich will practice met du. Boom, that's it. That's how you make ChatGPT invent a language.